everyone, this is the FRP tank 1054. We fill up the resin and the standard media in this tank. You can see it. We put the distributor in this FRP tank. And we fill up 2 bags of resins and 1 bag of standard media. Totally about 60 kilograms. For now, we want to test the safety. We will make the destructive test. 1, 2, 3. After 3 times destructive test, the cover is well and not broke. Let us check the internal. Okay, please open. Okay, everything is well. So it's safe for shipping. This is our new design carton box. You can see the thickness. In order to make the shipping safe, we make this new carton box for our customers. Then let us put the tanks in this carton box. For now, we put the tank in this carton box. Then we will check it is well or not. We make the destructive test now. Then let us make 3 times destructive test. Here are our colleagues, total 250 kilograms. So stand on the cotton box, we can say it's very safe. Second time.
2、3.
After test, let us check the tank. Okay, you will find the cover is well and the tank is no problem. Okay. On the other hand, you can see the carton box is very great.